Anyway, here we are. We're back at work, and as you can see, I'm recording you from inside of the Debonair, and I'm obviously standing on the outside. I've got the new lights set up there, so hopefully there'll be no flickering. And today's wee job is box down here, down there, which you can't see, but I can see it. This has come all the way from Australia, which a lot of people in New Zealand call Australia the West Island because it's to the west of us and it's full of Australians. But I shouldn't really say that because some Australians I know are very nice people. But you're going, what is that, Richard? Well, that fits this. And as you can see, that's a brand new to me and anybody else, Stromberg carburetor. And we're going to put it down there where that one is. And I'm just having a look to see what is actually different on it. I can already see one bit that's different, but that's okay. So today's mission is to replace this old carburetor with the new carburetor. And I did kind of get myself sorted out with spanners and the such like. So that one goes on there. So we're going to take the fuel line off first, which is that one there, which I put that on last, so it shouldn't be that tight. And yeah, this is kind of a job I've had the bits for a while. So it's beautiful, beautiful sunny. And I did say the word sunny. It's not raining. Beautiful sunny Saturday morning here in Porirua. Of course, being a Saturday morning, I've been off and I've had coffee with the lads. Take that split pin there out. Is that leaking petrol everywhere now? Where's that coming from? It's probably coming out of there, but that's okay. We won't worry about that too much. Now, I can just try to remember how will that actually manage to pull this one off as well? Because I designed all this. Oh, God's truth. Get back up in there. Why won't that? That should come out of there. Why you do this to me? And we'll just keep pulling R clips out until we can get it as we need it. Like, come off there. That's a bit of a Richard job, that. I don't know if I actually really ever finished welding that on. But anyway. So we've got all the pipes off. And now we can attack the said nuts. And because there was two different size carburetors for these. And I gave this sort of a quickish measure. And I'm kind of hoping that I got it right. I don't know why I suppose for the smaller size engines and then for the bigger ones. So I'm kind of hoping that I did measure it correctly. Oh, that's right. I remember now. You can't take that one off until you've got this one undone. So it's been a busy week at work. And obviously we've been busy at home on the other projects. So that should theoretically come off. Yay, look. It's off. Just put that there. Now, it's not the right one, is it, Richard? No, Richard, it's not the right one. And I'm guessing that, I wonder if that's the same. That measurement between there and there. It's probably not, is it? Because the bit that I want, really, is the top part of the carburetor. So that's a bit of an own goal straight away. I knew it. I knew I should have taken that off before I measured, but we didn't. So I'll get my verniers. It is probably different. So I can see myself spending some more money. Can't understand why it would be the smaller carburetor on there though. I can't understand that. So what I want to measure is roughly measure that, and then they're the same on this one. Oh yeah, that looks about the same. Yeah, so it's only the bottom part that's different. So what I'm going to have to do is see if I can swap over the throttle plates, because I mean, that one's okay, because all the rest of it should be the same. So we'll come back. When I've got that sorted, we'll let you know. As you can see, I'm back. We've done a few little modifications. So here we have half a brand new carburetor. I have taken the top half and joined it to the bottom half, because the bottom half here is smaller than the one that I bought. Now, I had to do a couple of wee things. Hopefully it'll all work. I mean, to all intents and purposes, apart from the difference in these holes here, and we've now got two vacuum ports. This one here no longer works because it doesn't join to anything right there. So we're using that one, which is the one that's already on the engine, so that's cool. Like the Mr. Choke mechanism all works as it should work. So yeah, we've got the accelerator pump down there all hooked up. So I guess we can throw it on and see how we get on with it. So I'm just gonna if I can, just throw that on there like so, and then get you around so you can see what's going on. Where are we? Oh, down there somewhere. So how's that? You can see what's going on? I hope you can anyway. So yeah, put the carburetor back on. So now we've got to put these two thingies on here. Mr. Washer on there, and then Mr. Nut goes on. It's basically the same as, you know, when you take things off. It's just the reverse, putting shit back on. Unless you get, like I do sometimes in my day job, I get vehicles to work on which I never pulled to bits, and it can be somewhat difficult to see where everything goes, especially on some of the older cars where a lot of the information was only ever available in book form, and not a lot of it is now available on the interweb, which you would think was pretty weird given that just about everything we do these days is driven by the internet. Oh yeah, that looks like that's going to work. You could probably plug him back in there. I know that looks a bit rangy for the vacuum advance for the distributor, but that's what was with it. So we're just going to fly with that, and it should be good. Put the fuel back up. Oh, look at that. Straight in the hole. No worries. Just looking at... I must have knocked that off there. What size was that? That was that size, wasn't it? We'll just crank that into there a wee bit. And now we just got to put the accelerator doodah that I made back into there. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. Put the little bit back in there. If you ever want something to hold stuff on and you're going to drill a hole, instead of using a cotter pin or a split pin, use an R-clip. Really good. Easy to get in and out. And yeah, you'd be surprised. So that goes. Does that go that way or the other way? I think it went that way. Come on, get in there. Oh, put it in that one first, and then put it in that one. Yep. Just like that. So 2 more clips. I like R clips mainly because I've got a whole drawer full of them over there. Oh, I didn't really have to buy them. Yeah, where's the hole for that one? Can I see it anywhere? Can I find it? Oh, there it is, right there, right on the end. So yeah, so that's the accelerator. It's quite stiff, but it does go all the way, mechanically driven all the way from the other side of the engine. It's a bit of a work of art really, the accelerator on this. So we've done that. I don't think we'll hook Mr. Choke up. I guess we could put the battery in it and see if this new carburetor actually works. Well, now that I've modified it, it's like there's no warranty, is there? Because I had it running a few weeks ago and it seemed to be all right. It'll help if the thing's in park too, won't it? Otherwise we won't be able to crank it. Because I put an inhibitor switch on it. Battery time. Right, so down here I have got a battery that I prepared out. I'm hoping it's got some juice in it. So Mr. Positive lead goes on that one. I think this is the same battery I used to get the rat rod going. Oh God, that's too short that way around. I'll put that around that way. Stick that on there. Oh, no sparks. Oh, that's good, isn't it? No sparky poos from him. Stick that one on there. Look at that. Right, so if we take you back around here again and twiddle you down so you can probably see what's going on. You'll be able to hear what's going on. There'll probably be swearing. And I'll go around the other side and move some crap so I can get the other door open. Move a few things, like the rubbish bin and stuff. Right, door's open. Yeah. So what are we going to destroy if it cranks into life and only a Spitfire? That won't be too much of an issue. So what have we got if we turn the key on? Oh, we've got a light in the dashboard. Will it crank? Oh, look at that. Oh, battery doesn't sound too good. No, Mr. Battery's not liking that. Oh, so we'll get the jump pack. It's good when you've got a workshop full of all the stuff that you need. So you can put that on. It's probably got something to do with the fact that I didn't even tighten the clips up onto the battery to make sure it's getting good contact. But we've done that anyway, so we'll put the jump pack on there. We'll see if that makes a difference. that's better than it's ever done before. We might need to adjust the mixture maybe. I'll get my little screwdriver. Can I get at that from here? I'm not sure. Or do I just use my finger? Ow, it's sharp. Oh, we'll just do that. There's a wee bit of a fuel leak there, but nothing major. Oh, I was trying to pull the choke on. Oh, there we go. We gave it some choke. And it's never run that well before. So that's pretty cool. So what do you think? That sounds pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Like I say, that's the best this has ever run. So I think we'll call that there and I'll carry on. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you like, please subscribe.